cut around the entire metal of the brass flange. That's how you remove it. Just cut through the inside with a Makita. It looks hard, but it really isn't. Give me some paper. So what you want to do next is clean up around this here with a piece of paper. And be careful because these things are really sharp, so you don't want to get cut while you're doing it. Removing this excess wax ring. Let me see. No, I got it. So typically you want to wear gloves for this type of stuff, but I've done it so many times that I don't really get dirty. Oh, Dora. Now we have it all cleaned up, the wax seal. You can set it in here. Set the flange over it. And then you could bang the flange around. Let me see, I've left some rocks in there that need to be cleaned.